Hi everybody, I'm Ian Yogas with Steelcase. We're excited to be here at InfoComm showing off furniture and technology coming together in a really cool way. Happy to show you two meeting rooms that are very common. This is like a nice huddle room where we've got a great curved table that has really clean technology access, a great way to start a Microsoft Teams or a Zoom meeting, a really comfortable spot for everybody to sit and feel engaged in the work. We've got a great product here at the wall called Frame, where a nice door can come off. And you can host all of the displays, the cameras, the technology in a really clean way where everything can work independently from the wall, and tech teams can really access and service these rooms in a really quick and efficient way. So these huddle spaces are a really, really nice spot for teams of 2 to 3 to 4 to meet. On this side, coming over on this side, it's a little bit bigger of a space. This can support 8, but those same design principles with a really nice curved shape, clean tech access, and then a great solution at the wall for managing technology and power. Awesome. So you can see all our solutions at steelcase.com.